Welcome once again to What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our 3-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. This week we have new product announcements from Lionel, Menards, and MTH electric trains, so let's get started. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Lionel Trains will be producing 3 exclusive powerful Legacy SD70s and 2 non-powered models for the Metropolitan Division of the Train Collectors Association. One in classic Hiawatha colors, one commemorating the World War II era Grumman F6F fighter, complete with band nose art, and a third commemorating the battleship USS California. Order before the end of August to guarantee delivery. Models are expected to arrive in mid-2025 with an early order price of $649.99 for the powered models. Non-powered models will be available in colors commemorating the battleship USS Tennessee and the Susquehanna. Non-powered models are priced at $339.99 for the Susquehanna, $349.99 for the USS Tennessee, or a special $999.99 for the 2 battleship units together. Lionel Trains will also be producing an exclusive 100% Made in America boxcar commemorating Checkpoint Charlie in Berlin for METCA. The car is expected to arrive in mid-2025 with an early order price of $99.99. Lionel Trains will also be producing an exclusive Vision Line GG1 in a unique What If Rabin Lowy scheme for METCA. The model is expected to arrive in mid-2025 with an early order price of $1599.99. Lionel Trains will be producing this colorful and exclusive Legacy SD40-2 diesel in Panama Canal Railway colors for METCA. Expected in mid-2025, the pre-order price is $599.99. Lionel Trains will be producing 3 exclusive and colorful PS1 Express boxcars for METCA in Aberdeen, Carolina and Western Raspberry and Yellow, AC&W Green, and Chesapeake and Ohio the Chessie colors. All are expected in mid-2025 with an early order price of $99.99 each, 2 for $189.99, or all 3 for $279.99. Menards has released its popular 40-foot scale boxcar in new Union Pacific colors. The cars are available online for $24.99 each, or 4 for $84.96 before rebates. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the 2024 Premier O-Scale 50-foot PS1 boxcar this winter in Conrail, Maine Central, and Pennsylvania with Youngstown doors, and Canadian National, GM&O, and Kansas City Southern with regular Pullman standard doors. Each of these offerings will be available in 2 unique car numbers and are expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers in January 2025. The suggested retail price is $79.95 each. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier Line O-Scale flat car with 2 PUP trailers in Bush Terminal Railroad colors for the NJ High Railers. The cars are available in 2 unique car numbers and are slated to arrive in November 2024. The pre-order price is $99.95 with free shipping. But wait, there's more! MTH Electric Trains has also announced similar cars with PUP trailers in Jersey Central colors with Elinger trailers for the NJ High Railers. The cars are available in 2 unique car numbers and are slated to arrive in November 2024 with the pre-order price of $99.95 with free shipping. MTH Electric Trains has also announced an uncatalogued O-Scale flat car with 2 PUP trailers in Toronto, Hamilton, and Buffalo colors for retailers Easy Catch and Dixie Union Station. The cars will be available in 2 unique car numbers and are slated to arrive in November 2024 with an early order price of $84.99. Also for Easy Catch and Dixie Union Station, MTH Electric Trains will be producing an uncatalogued O-Scale flat car with 2 PUP trailers in Canadian National colors with Moosehead trailers. The cars will be available in 2 unique car numbers and are expected to arrive in November 2024 with an early order price of $84.99. MTH Electric Trains has also announced an uncatalogued O-Scale flat car with 2 PUP trailers in Milwaukee Road colors with Schwinn bicycle trailers for authorized retailer Berwyn's Toys and Trains. The cars will be available in 2 unique car numbers and are expected to arrive in November 2024 with an early order price of $84.99. MTH Electric Trains will also be producing 2 exclusive Christmas flat cars with lighted Christmas trees for Train World. The cars will be available in red or green and lettered for Jones Beach. The cars are expected to arrive in October 2024 with an early order price of $84.99 each. Remember to visit our Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from these links. And watch our long-form Toy Train Tips and Tricks videos released every Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. And join us next Tuesday at 9 a.m. Eastern for another edition of What's New in O-Gauge. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.